Are you really gonna eat that?
There's nothing like washing down some chicken wings, some cultured sour cream.
Oh, that's disgusting. How are you not like gagging?
Sour cream's awesome.
Oh.
I just need a taco and some beans to wash it down. Ooh, some salsa goes good with it.
Oh, I wouldn't drink that.
Spicy. That's a good mix. Whoa, chunky.
Yeah. That's it.
I don't think that was good. Oh, that tastes bad. I'm not really a big fan of spicy.
Finger in there.
It smells bad. Doesn't smell good. The Kraft slow simmering spicy honey.
You get a little bit on your lip.
Worcestershire sauce, not one of my favorites. Ugh. Spicy. It tastes like orange juice, beans, Worcestershire sauce, Mickey's. I feel a little better now. And I feel a little better now.